Right guys, we're outside some chickens here in Liverpool 1. As you can see, it's quite packed. Sun's out, plums out. She found it so hilarious now. What we're planning on doing is doing a review here. And there's a few other chicken places in Liverpool as well. There's Jollibee and there's Popeye's Chicken. So we're going to do some reviews and see which one's best. But not on the same day. So we're only going to do slim chicken today. We're going to order different things and we'll give you that review later on. Anyway, we'll catch you in a bit guys.
Shooting some over.
As you can see, the girls are sitting here in the sun, melting away, waiting for our food to be delivered.
I'm not hot.
Are you? Well, I'll tell you what hot. Anyway, hi guys, I've just left the girls over there while we're waiting for the food to come. We've ordered 3 different things. We've ordered a chicken burger, a chicken wrap and chicken strips. They both come with fries and soft drinks. We've also ordered fried pickles, waiting to see what they're like. I'm glad the music stopped. They were playing music before and it's like, oh, hope YouTube doesn't shout at me. Anyway guys, I'm going to get back to the girls. As you can see, they're waiting over there somewhere. And they're staring at me saying, Dad, come back, save us. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. Yeah guys, our food's come, as you can see. I've got me wrap, pickles, Frankie's got a burger and Riley's got a chickens. Come on Frankie, go on back here, got a chickens. Come on Frankie, go on back here.
That actually looks nice.
Think of the fries. They're nice with the skin on, but not really special about them. One side pickle. Looks like the pickles are being battered and they seem quite soggy, but I'm not too sure. Did the goalpost messing around now? Salt to salt. Got that away for the moment. We've got that out so Frankie can record open my burger. So what's your toast like? Right, this is what we've been talking about, the mango and habanero sauce. So it's got our bell peppers in it, red chilli, paprika. So it's got orange juice in it. Maybe I'm going to cut for a minute and we'll be back in a few seconds. We're back. Well, she's scraping all that stuff. Here's the habanero sauce I'm going to try anyway. It's quite sweet. There's no heat, but there is a bit of a kick to it. Italia. What do you think?
I tried it. I hope you like it.
You like it? What about you?
It's like slightly spicy, but it's also really sweet and I like it.
Anyway, we got some ranch here. So let's add the ranch to the pickles. Makes any difference? None. Doesn't make a difference at all. Anyway, I'm going to tuck onto this. And the girls are going to tuck onto their food. And we'll be back later.
These are a lot better than McDonald's because they're a lot moister and they taste nicer.
Go on, break into one of the shows.
Look how moist they are. They pull quite easily.
So she smashed that burger as well. So man, so it's waiting for Lara to finish their tenders. As you can see, I'll be telling you about them in a bit. But what did you say about the habanero sauce?
It's nice and I want to take it home. I really liked it.
What do you think of the habanero sauce?
I'm okay. I want to take it home. It's pretty nice.
Well, she's got that there left over. But it is really nice. It's better than sweet chili, better than any sweet chili I've ever had. But yeah, take it home if I were to put it in a bottle and take it home.
I do want to take it home. It's not too spicy, but it's not too spicy, but it's a little sweet. It's quite nice.
It's quite sweet actually. As you can see, I've smashed mine. Cheese.
Thank you.
Some ketchup there, but you finished all your habanero sauce?
Yeah, I'm taking it home. I'm taking it home.
She's taking habanero sauce home with her, people.
I am as well.
Okay. Anyway, let's look at these.
I want them.
I try hopes for these. So did the girls as well. They love pickles, but these are just a flop.
Soggy.
What's the name of the pickles?
Soggy. Soggy. I love pickles.
Yeah, not even the magical habanero sauce that can save them. It's not such a pickle anymore. But as you can see, the wrap I got up was nice. I think it was a spinach wrap. But it was a buffalo chicken. It wasn't hot or spicy, it just tasted sour, like vinegar. Not sure what that was about. Hello guys, back again, there and back, for Hobbit's Tale. As you can see, I've got these on me, is the habanero sauce the girls want to take home with me. So, to me back there. Both girls have just gone upstairs to go and use the toilet, and when they come back they give the review of what they thought. Well,
The tenders were very moist and they're better than the chips in my opinion, and they were the best tenders I've ever had. The burger was slightly crunchy, tasty, and I loved the bun and the sauce with it.
yeah, and I can't remember if I said before about my wrap, nice spinach wrap. It was a bit sour, it was supposed to be buffalo, it wasn't really hot. The mango habanero sauce made everything a million times better.
That was very good, Kevin.
Yeah, as you've seen before, I've put them in the girls wrap the little tubs in tissue, and they're in my backpack at the moment now.
I'm keeping it at home.
So we've both got a tub of habanero sauce each.
It was good.
And but the fried pickles,
No ew.
from anything I've learned from calling it tissue to food tuggers, where it's got to be fried food, if the fat's not hot enough, it's going to be soggy. Or if it was made hours before it's been laying there, it's gone soggy. They were just like floppy, and the batter was like, nah, I wouldn't go there, guys. Maybe it's because they're busy today and made them in batches, I don't know. But the fries were amazing. The chicken was lovely, juicy. It wasn't greasy. It was a bit greasy, but it was nice. Let me taste the chicken tenders. They were gorgeous. Anyway, I'm going to give the overall review now. Guys, freshness.
Good. It was very, very fresh.
Tastiness.
Delish. I loved it.
What would you give the chips?
9. I agree.
Yeah, the chips were great, but I just like when they got the skin on them. But
I thought the burger again.
Frankly, not the burger, but the soft drinks, they're not really fizzy. It's sort of like the fizz is fizzled out. And anyway, guys, overall, what would you give it? Out of 10.
9.5. 9.5.
So 9.5. Yeah, I'd say 9. So I'd say 9. So
What's tenders again?
she wants tenders again. Anyway, Popeye's chicken and Jollibee
Next.
are next. Do you have to see what they live up to, or if they're better than this place?
Who's next? You decide.
Say it again.
Who's next? You decide.
See that, guys? Who's next? You decide. Right. You guys in the comments. Who's next? Jollibee or Popeye's chicken? Put it down in the comments, guys. And we'll catch you later.